Hello everyone, I am colorist Aura and I created the Coloring Palette Vibes Advanced Color by Number coloring books. I am doing an unboxing of a 24 count dual tip alcohol marker set that you can get on Amazon. I listed the link in the description. It is also listed on my website www.coloringpalettevibes.com under coloring tools. I'm going to tell you guys a little bit of some benefits of using alcohol markers because I'm going to be coloring one of my pages for my books today with them. I like them because they provide a rich, vibrant color that can make your artwork stand out. They allow for smooth blending and layering. They create seamless transitions between colors. They also dry very quickly, reducing the risk of smudging and allowing you to work efficiently. Alcohol markers work well on various types of paper and surfaces, allowing you more freedom to create. You do have to be careful with the fluid ink. They do tend to bleed through, so always put a piece of paper or some type of barrier behind your artwork because they do bleed through. But other than that, they will provide a high quality, polished, and professional look for your artwork. Today, I will be coloring out of page 33 of my Sweet Tooth book. I will put all the marker color names I use to go with this coloring palette in the description below. I hope everyone had a good January 1st, bringing in the new year, 2025. Are you ready to make it your best year yet? New Year's resolutions are a powerful way to set clear, specific goals that give you direction and purpose. They motivate you to make a positive change and reflect on past experiences, leading to personal growth and development. Achieving your resolutions can boost your self-esteem and give you a sense of accomplishment. This year, consider making a resolution that reduces stress and anxiety. Focus on activities that provide a calming and meditative mindset, helping you stay present and mindful. Express your creativity and experiment with new hobbies. Improve your concentration and attention to details, and do something that gives you a sense of achievement and satisfaction. One fantastic way to fulfill all these goals is by using an adult coloring book. It's a simple, enjoyable activity that can be done every day. In 2025, try something new and start small. You owe it to yourself. Be kind to you, and Happy New Year. Let's make this year colorful and fulfilling. Thanks to everyone who has made it this far into the video. I'm going to let you guys relax and see the final product. Let me know in the comments what you think. And what are your resolutions for this year? thank you guys for the support, and remember, enjoy the satisfaction of coloring. It's a vibe.